A new national park, new picture. Oh yeah. This is our first day in Crater Lake National Park, and there is snow on the ground. Our first hike we had selected was called the Sun Notch Trail. It's an easy hike that takes you out over an overlook of Crater Lake. The problem is you can't even park on the side of the road here. There's so much snow piled up. Turns out we are at the trailhead. Oh my gosh, if you guys could see all the mosquitoes that are flying around our truck waiting for us to get out of the car so they can feed. This reminds me of Voyagers. You might begin to start hearing me say, instead of poison ivy, mosquitoes. We've got our bug spray and we're getting ready to get out and spray ourselves down before trying this trail. You ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Here we go, the Sun Notch Trail. You gotta laugh at these mosquitoes. They are fierce. But, you know, we're walking and they're not bothering us too terribly much. We are not sure what we're gonna find on this trail, but I am expecting some epic views and obviously some snow and mud. Oh, I do see the trail. Good find. Let's go get on it. Yes, we are. This snow is ice. It's very slippery. It's pretty chilly. I'm wondering how these mosquitoes are out and about. They must be really hungry. So far, so good. The mosquitoes aren't bothering us so much anymore because this is definitely colder as we go up. And even though we're running into some really large icy snow piles, we're getting through them just with our poles. I see a beautiful view in our future on our first day here in Crater Lake. My heart is feeling very full. Whew. So that's beautiful. Oh, they have a ski run, yeah, built in right there. Prepare to be wowed. If you have not seen this lake, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, mosquitoes everywhere. So apparently that's called the Phantom Ship, and it does look like one down there, right? Wow, these views from Sun Notch Trail are just amazing all around. Wow. Can you tell how happy we are? Why you gotta put that tree there though? We're not the only hikers out this morning. Basically what this hike is just an overview look around Crater Lake. And so you just walk a few steps and it gives you a different view, a different scene. How lovely. Ah, I love these national parks. They're just so incredibly pristine. What an amazing first trail in Crater Lake. Let me tell you though, these mosquitoes mean business. So definitely, it is June 30th. I know the date. I may not know the day of the week, but it is June 30th because it's my oldest son's birthday today. And well, that's just a date you don't forget, hopefully. So it's a beautiful way to start this National Park out with a bang. Do bring mosquito spray because even June 30th, you're gonna have them. You are gonna have mosquitoes and snow. Who knew? On to the next trail. Today is gonna be such a great day. We're driving to our next trail and this is what we see on the way. Oh my gosh. Oh.